Hello everyone, welcome to this channel once again. This is your guy Felix Blaze. Today I'm going to show you how I created this Real Madrid book cover in just a minute. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well and subscribe. I also want to take this opportunity to congratulate Real Madrid on their 14th win of the Champions League. Keep it up. So because of that, I have to use them and then celebrate them as well for winning this great Champions League. Okay, so I'm going to design this book cover with their flyer. Okay, so try and follow along each steps that I will do. First thing I will do is I will go in for the um I've already designed everything, so I'll go in for the template. If you want a template, check in the description, but there is a password on it. I will say the password, so try and watch this video to the end. Otherwise, you will not get the password. I will say it. I will not write it. I will say it. So please do well and watch this video till the end. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll open up my templates. So this is the template. Then it is either you extract the template or you can double click on the template to open. So any of the option you want. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I will not extract, I will just double click on the PSD. Okay, I'll double click on it. So when you double click on it, you'll get a password. Okay, but for me there's no password on it. So what I'm going to do right now is I have this book cover here. So it is very easy to do this. Now we have the book here. What you need to do is bring in the design. Okay, and we have already done that design. Okay, so I'll go in for this Champions League design for Real Madrid. Okay, they have done marvelously well. So what I will do is before I will bring in this design, okay, you have to open up the cover. So this page, this top one is the cover. Okay, and then this side, okay, is the edge. So I'll double click. Don't show this. Okay, don't turn it on, let it be off like that. Okay, so let it be off, then double click inside the thumbnail. Double click inside the thumbnail. So this is a smart thumbnail, so you are going to get something like this from here. Then we can bring in our design. So I'll bring in this Real Madrid design. We have something like this. You get it? You have something like this. So I will just drag this one down like this, then press enter to confirm. So this design is very nice. Okay, very nice. So we can use this one for the book cover. Okay, so this is Champions League 2021-2022, the winner book cover. Okay, so after bringing in this one, you can either choose to delay this one or you can just keep it, then press on S. Okay, then you're going to get something like this. Wow, how do you see this? Very nice one. You get it? So from here, level the edge. Okay, so the edge you can either go in with a color or you go in with maybe a picture. So if you choose to go in for a color, let's see, you will double click inside the thumbnail, click on this one, then we can go here and then choose maybe a gradient or maybe a solid color. Okay, so for the solid color we can choose blue, which will match with our design, something like this. Okay, then from here I can confirm that with Control S. Then we have something like this. Go back. Okay, the main document. Then we have something like this. You see, this is cool. Okay, so you can do it this way, or you can choose to place in a picture here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll double click it at that time though. I'll come to my pictures, then I'll drag this image to that particular smart object, and I'll place this one here like this. Then I'll make sure the coach face come bigger, so I'll stretch up this. Okay, so we have the coach in there, then some players in here. Okay, then we can press S to save this one, and let's go back and see. So you have something like this. So based on the two, choose the one you like. Okay, either you use the edge to be color or you use the edge to be this. So this is the very simple way you can create a book cover. You do your design, then come here, replace the cover, replace the edge. So this is very simple way to create a book cover in Photoshop. I congratulate Real Madrid once again. The password is real, real, real. So if you don't watch this video till the end, you'll not get the password. The password is real, RGAL, real. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Felix. Bye bye.